Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use or how you can open Instagram on your PC, but the view like on your mobile phone. So you can create your story because of if you open the Instagram in your PC or on your Google Chrome PC version, you cannot create or you cannot add your story, you cannot add your post. Here, for example, you can create post, you can upload a feed, but you cannot create story. So in order to create story, you can change the view by click on the blank space and then try to click inspect. You can right click and then click inspect. Here we go. See this icon? You can click it and here we are. This is the mobile version. So you can change dimension, for example Samsung Galaxy or iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's try Samsung Galaxy here, and here we go. You can create your story in here, or you can go to your profile and you can create story there. But there is no sticker, just a limited feature that you can try. So feel free to try to use this mobile desktop version, but when in mobile interface. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.